Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And then ye babe ye waakye special. So waakye, the main ingredients are ye dear waakye no ye beans. So in this recipe I'm using black eyed beans. Yes. And me using waakye leaves. And me san wo me rice, long rice. Waakye nti me use emo a enma enye peche. Into wait me use basmati. Basmati is also perfect for waakye. Okay, into hase no medical I wash me beans no kama. Send a beya say stones be wo mu a I will just take it away. So na fe me de esiso. Yeah, and no na me no. All the time I'll be watching. Make sure say obe wash your beans very neat. Send a beya woody a won't kick up boom na wunya problem bia. Okay, so see me babe wash me leaves no. Waakye leaves, or you can call it sorghum leaves, or also millet leaves. Yeah. But in Ghana, mostly we call it waakye leaves. It's how me washing pa. I was say me bomodin washing na ifibia a woman no eko. Na senebeya o de ye beans na sa o de no waakye na ebe so good. And after me wash we no so no. I was say me chichire nti me yi baako. Me de bechichire me leaves no together. Send a beya me ye a free moon later on membre. So what you see. And those of you that can understand my language, please forgive me. I would write all the ingredients under the video description, so you can also check it out. Thank you so much. Iti ahase no me leaves no ebe shemu. Yes, say ya pepe. Na makata so 5 minutes mesamba. Okay guys, so 5 minutes time me work me beans ne hura faso. It's a has said I have to add baking soda. Yeah, it's total optional. Me de pay it's na me use because waakye without can anasa baking soda no. Me no a ya enye me de na I so thick for me. Yeah. To make it lighter and so waakye no the softness and the perfect waakye no the scent in everything. So what the baking soda kakra guma kama. Alright. Okay, abusuafo I say me test beans no. Say beans no I bring na wo ye waakye no. E was say wutimi egibi emiare and say ye fully cooked and then say ye din so say half. But so we'll check the type of rice that you are using. So we'll check it. Now so rice too soft, then you have to cook the beans down a bit. Okay. Me check it here no. Na the type I pay. Beans perfect. So right now I will take the leaves out. Me run a frimu and sana me dememono egumu. You can also cook together with the rice. It all depends on you. Okay, so see, and I will stir it a bit and check if the rice is okay. But I think the rice is okay for me, so I will add my salt. But sometimes no or not so okay if anything, rice ni be more than beans no. But me di abrain na me di waakye me pese me must beans more enough. Yeah, and to see I have added my water and I have to add the salt to taste. Yeah. Okay, so I will cover it to let it cook, yeah, and come back in a few minutes. So guys, don't go anywhere. But your waakye leaves, you can put them in the fridge for another use, so don't throw it away. Okay, after a few minutes, guys, look at this. Oh my god, my waakye looks good, but it's not done yet. Senya mekbidika kain waakye character is just like jollof rice. You always need to check them out so you won't burn it. Brofunu na mekam. Inti se ame check me waakye na e kama. But emben ye kra insuo kakra ewo mu. Inti me ba be kavaso me de e fe ne sen baking sheet e ba be kavaso so that it will steam very well. Mempese waakye no ebeye peche ena mempese be dindin bibre. Intabre nyina you have to keep an eye on your waakye. Okay, after 25 minutes, guys, look at this. My waakye. Oh my god, just look at this. The waakye is so perfect. It's so perfect. It looks so delicious. In fact, it's delicious. Just check it out. We now peding abusia for. So watch me video na say your fair. Me paucho. Me just a beginner. No push me video no. Send a beya bringina. Menya hode foforo. Edi more videos abro. Why? Okay? Just share the video and please subscribe to support this channel. Thank you so much. Okay, here I'm adding some coconut oil. And we dey pa. Okay, you cannot add it, but I love it. It will make the waakye so flavorful. Just look at this. So this recipe, this waakye, you can serve it with shito anase stew. Ubetimi edie ID waakye. Yes, of course. Waakye with that shito, and so ubetimi edi anase waakye with that stew only shito, and no so possible. Okay, guys, it is our percent who the type of stew may they serve this particular waakye. Me paucho. After this video, you can check my next video. Na ubehu the kind of sauce and as stew may you see and how I may no so you will see it all, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you very much for your time and all my new subscribers. May God richly bless you. Thank you.